The audio production and technology major is a lot about how audio works, how audio exists in our day-to-day life, and how to make audio more prevalent through your day-to-day life, whether it's concert work, musical work, or movie work. My favorite thing about audio production is the creativity along with kind of like the more scientific side of it, dealing with like the math. You got to do a lot of certain like drawings, getting all your angles right, but you also have a lot of creative freedom. When I first came to Michigan Tech, I was like most first years who were very afraid of what was happening because you went to the middle of nowhere. But in my department, in the Visual and Performing Arts department, I felt instantly at home. I felt like I was invited. I could, be myself, and people really let me grow into who I am today. The culture here at Tech is a very welcoming culture. It's very inviting. Everyone is here to learn more, and it's not like anyone's going to try to look down on you if you're not in the same place as them. Michigan Tech has helped me prepare for my future by kind of showing me what it means to be professional and how to make more like professional encounters in my day-to-day life. It's not like high school where you're just kind of going off and doing whatever you like. You have to actually interact with people in a professional and respectful manner, and that's a very important skill that I've learned.